Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a Google Sheets view only on Android phones. So here, just open the Google Sheets app on your phone. And here, I'm going to set this Google Sheets file as view only. So click on the three dots icon on the name of the file and go to the Manage Access option, and in here go to the general access, click on change, and in here click on this option and change it into anyone with the link, but you need to make sure that the role is as a viewer, not commenter or editor. Okay, so after that you are done, and when other people you open the file, they only can view the file. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.